Hi there, welcome to the introduction to Python programming language. Python is arguably the second most popular programming language after JavaScript, and many recommend that you kickstart your programming journey with Python. The reasons being based on Python's simplicity, versatility, and widespread adoption. And by widespread adoption, Python has dozens, if not hundreds, of libraries and frameworks. And it also has a very vibrant ecosystem. So you will never get stuck when you're part of this Python community. If there is any issue, there will be someone out there definitely to help you. It has a very vibrant ecosystem. By versatility, think of anything in the world in the terms of computers and development, and Python has a library or a framework for it. So if you're thinking of mobile app development, you're thinking of web services, or going into AI and machine learning, game development, just name it, and Python has something for it. It is a very versatile language. Again, it's simple because it mimics the normal everyday English language. So part of this simplicity has to do with it being dynamically typed. You can refer to the JavaScript video for further details, but being dynamically typed, especially with Python, means that you do not need to specify the types, whether a class or a variable or object. You just name the container, as it were, or the variable, and use it. So mimicking normal everyday English and being dynamically typed makes the language very simple to use. At CodeFree Institute, I'll tell you, our focus is to equip you to be an entrepreneur developer, right? So that you can build something to solve a problem. That is our focus. But if you wanted to think of career opportunities using the Python programming language, then you could be looking at being a web developer, going into data science or machine learning or game programming or software development, as we already mentioned. I'll tell you what you're going to learn on this course. So we're going to start with the basic syntax of variables and data types, and we will move on to control flow. By control flow, we will be looking at conditional statements. And again, we will look at loops, and we'll progress to functions and modules, and how to import modules into your application and use them to build your projects. We're also going to look at data structures. So data structures has to do with lists and dictionaries and tuples or tuples and sets. We will explore all of these into details. And again, we will look at how to manage files or work with files, technically called file handling. So you're going to learn how to write to files and how to read from files, how to save files, etc. And we're not going to leave you hanging. As a developer, you will definitely make mistakes in the codes. Okay, so you will learn about how to manage errors or error handling, error management, or technically how to debug your codes when there are errors. So we'll give you a structured procedure followed worldwide with regards to how to handle errors and bugs when they are found in your codes. Not forgetting Git and GitHub for the version control. So there are so many things you're going to benefit from on this course. At the end of the course, you are going to build 6 different projects, one of them being a group assignment. So it's really going to be exciting, and both exciting and challenging, trust me. But we're not going to leave you hanging, as I said. There are different fields in the coding world. So through our mentorship, you will also be guided based on where your strengths are to venture into the career path you want to pursue. So if you want to be a developer, a web developer, mobile app developer, we will give you the proper guidance. If you want to go into machine learning, data science, we will help you to channel all these paths before the entire course ends. So again, if all this excites you and you want to be part of this journey and learn Python programming, the basics, let nothing stop you. Check the requisites, the prerequisites, and if you qualify, hit the apply button, send in your application, and we will definitely be on the other side waiting for you. All the best with your application, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.